Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to create a channel on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open WhatsApp, then tap on updates. Here you can see channels option, then tap on this plus icon, then tap on create channel, then tap on continue. Now from here enter the channel name, then from here choose channel profile picture, then tap on gallery, then tap on done. You can also leave it without profile picture. Now from here type some description which is optional. So I will type Drawleaper, then tap on create channel. Now you can see our channel has been successfully created. Now if you tap channel link, from here you can copy or share your channel link. And that is how you can create a channel on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.